Installing a memory module. Note, the SR860 V3 is shown in this video, but the replacement procedures for the SR860 V4 are identical. Gently open the retaining clips at each end of the memory module slot. Align the memory module with the slot and firmly press both ends of the memory module straight down into the slot until the retaining clips snap into the locked position. Note, if you replaced a front memory module, reinstall the front air baffle and the front top cover. If you replaced a rear memory module, reinstall any 2U performance PHMs that were removed to access the memory modules. Also reinstall the rear air baffle, all the PCIe risers, the crossbar, the rear top cover, and the front top cover.